Every victory by technical superiority, 8-0, 9-0, 8-0, his 3 scores read today. So Ибаев, we know, in great form, and Максатбек, we're getting to know more and more about him, and he's been very impressive today too. The gold medal contest at 77 kilograms. Ибаев in the red, Максатбek in the blue.
Red action.
When you know Ибаев is stepping onto the mat, you know what you're in for. You know, for an exciting match, high amplitude throws. He loves putting points on the board. Really creative with the way he puts points on the board as well.
They like him in the German Bundesliga, don't they?
Yeah, and you know what it is? It's just one match, great arm drag attempt there as well. Going to try and drive him out of bounds. In German Bundesliga, you've only got to fight one match. You haven't got a full tournament to fight that day. So he can literally go 100% for 6 minutes, and that really is a fun sight to see. Macatbek today really surprised me. He's come through some big names today on the mat, really put some great performances, and his forward pressure just constant, never let up.
Саймадан супер сунуш. Куаттуу гигабиттик жаңы муундагы Wi-Fi роутер. Секундасына 1 гигабитке чейин супер ылдамдыкты колдоо. Ар түрдүү диапазондогу 2 Wi-Fi тармагын жөндөө мүмкүнчүлүгү. Үйүңүздүн каалаган бурчунда туруктуу интернет. Жана ушуну сиз премиум 500+ ОТВдын супер ылдам тарифин кошууда таптакыр акысыз аласыз. Күтүүнүн кереги жок. Сайманы кош.
Conditioning for 6 minutes. In this final now we've got 2 great guys who both don't take a step back, really going at each other.
Some of those big names that he has got through today include the Iranian Abul Fazl Momedi. Nothing that he beats Momedi today. Going through against Jiuan Wang of China. So including Albin Olofsson too. First Partey and Ибаев getting around here on Macatbek. Himself moving target. Here he goes, Ибаев. That is brilliant. What a turn. And again, the big amplitude throw right into the mat side judges as well. Challenge requested from Macatbek.
Yeah, he almost puts him through the table, doesn't he, on the side of the mat there. I mean, first throw, great, really explosive, gut wrench, explodes to that other side, takes him over the top. Doesn't stop there, gets the lift, gets him up the shin, throws him off, and almost puts him through.
Action by red is offensive foul. Red wrestler using leg effectively, and no point for this action, and cancel all point and time back 4-0-4. Time back 4-0-4, no point.
So the challenge won.
And challenge won.
Ибаev's lead taken down to just 1 point. Throws were dramatic, but the point's not staying. So back to two things. Drag from Ибаев, and then he'll launch forward, but he's sprawled out here, trying to save himself, and Macatbek pounces for 2. Really good attack from Macatbek.
And that's what I was talking about, Macatbek with that forward pressure always doesn't let up for 6 minutes, and he really causes mistakes in even the highest level of athletes like Ибаев.
He slows right down again. Plenty of excitement that this first round has held. Either with the points that will see them all the way home from it. Maksatsek with the better of that.
You have to go 100% into it. Did his leg hook in on the way through? If you watch on the replay, you could give it. You could also give it the other way and say it was a clean roll. I've seen him been given and it's been completely fine. It's just in the heat of the moment, you want to put points on the board. So
first point scored against Ибаев today. Those two from Maksatsek.
Red action!
Single point to Kyrgyz wrestler, and now from parterre, a great chance.
Red, contact. Red, давай, contact.
Reverse lift, but then Ибаев just stands right up and out of it. Maksatsek getting that all wrong.
maybe Maksatsek realises, okay, I don't want to risk anything in parterre position, risk getting reversed, and he lets him get up to his feet because, I mean, who's looked more comfortable on his feet today than Maksatsek?
Yeah. Yep. Ибаев trying to get that big underhook in.
Right. Head break. Head down. Okay, sorry. Okay. Play, no block.
Here he goes. Taking his man down, but not for points.
Red, attention. Active. Okay, next time I am.
Cut above the eye of Maksatsek there after that last exchange.
Still hunting. Plenty of points he's had scratched off in this gold medal contest. The German. Maksatsek loses his footing. Ибаев comes at him. A face full of Iddris Ибаев, and he's pushed out for a point.
He was on the hunt, wasn't he, on the edge of the mat there, really trying to force his will.
He still needs to hump for more. Edging towards the conclusion here. Just a single points difference. The effort needs to be timed at the right time, George.
Yeah.
I suppose. Ideally just before the buzzer.
Yeah, correct. I mean, in a dream world, you score 2 points now with 5 seconds left, and your opponent's not got any chance to pull it back. But you know, you've got to work now for the next 20 seconds. You can't leave it till 5 because that might be a little too late. You've got to give everything you have.
What is left for these final exchanges? Ибаев knocked back and the time still ticking away from him. So he comes up just short, entertainingly so, for all his throws from parterre early on and the points that weren't awarded for him. But at the end of the day, it is Максатбек of Kyrgyzstan who takes the gold medal at 77 kilograms.
And the gold medal winner is Ырыскелди Максатбек Уулу.
His 5th fight of the day, and it's the one that's given him the gold medal.